The 2025 Fiat 500e is the latest iteration of Fiat's iconic city car, reimagined as a modern, eco-friendly electric vehicle, EV. Building on its storied heritage, the 500e maintains the unmistakable charm and compact proportions that have made it a favorite among urban drivers, while incorporating cutting-edge technology and sustainable features that align with the demands of the future. Design and exterior. The 2025 Fiat 500e strikes a balance between retro charm and contemporary aesthetics. It retains its signature rounded silhouette, wide-eyed headlamps, and compact frame, which are complemented by modern design elements such as sleek LED lighting, flush door handles, and aerodynamic enhancements. Its available color palette ranges from classic pastels to bold metallic finishes, reflecting its youthful and vibrant personality. The addition of new wheel designs and optional contrasting roof colors further allows buyers to customize their 500e to match their style. Performance and range. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack, the 2025 Fiat 500e offers a driving range of up to 200 miles on a single charge, making it well-suited for daily commutes and city errands. The electric motor delivers a smooth and responsive performance with a power output of around 118 horsepower, ensuring nimble handling and brisk acceleration, especially in urban settings. The regenerative braking system contributes to efficient energy recovery, extending range and enhancing overall efficiency. Charging the 500e is convenient, with support for both Level 2 AC charging and DC fast charging. Using a DC fast charger, the battery can achieve an 80% charge in approximately 30 minutes, making long trips more practical for an EV of its size. Interior and technology. The cabin of the 2025 Fiat 500e is a blend of minimalist design and high-tech features. Premium materials, such as sustainable upholstery options and soft-touch plastics, enhance the comfort and eco-conscious appeal of the interior. Despite its compact size, the car provides ample headroom and seating for 4 passengers, along with a modestly sized trunk for everyday cargo needs. Technology is a centerpiece of the 500e, featuring a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Uconnect 5 software, offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. A customizable digital driver display keeps essential information easily accessible, while advanced connectivity options, such as over-the-air updates and smartphone app compatibility, ensure the car remains future-ready. Safety features. Fiat prioritizes safety in the 500e, equipping it with an array of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. These include autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and rear parking sensors. An optional 360-degree camera system adds convenience and confidence when maneuvering in tight spaces, further underscoring its suitability for city driving. Sustainability and eco-friendliness. The 2025 Fiat 500e embodies Fiat's commitment to sustainability. Its production process includes the use of recycled and renewable materials, and its emissions-free powertrain helps reduce the carbon footprint of its drivers. Fiat has also introduced initiatives such as carbon-neutral manufacturing plants and partnerships with renewable energy providers to enhance the environmental impact of owning a 500e. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Fiat 500e is expected to be competitively priced, appealing to a wide range of consumers looking for an affordable, stylish, and eco-friendly urban vehicle. It will be available in multiple trims, each offering a unique combination of features and customization options. Fiat plans to roll out the 500e in key markets worldwide, with availability starting in early 2025. The 2025 Fiat 500e offers a perfect blend of efficiency, agility, and practicality, making it an ideal electric vehicle, EV, for urban and suburban drivers. Electric powertrain. At the heart of the Fiat 500e is a high-output electric motor delivering approximately 118 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque. This configuration provides instant acceleration, ensuring the 500e feels lively and responsive in city traffic. Its front-wheel drive layout enhances handling, and the lightweight design contributes to its nimbleness, making it effortless to maneuver through tight streets and parking spaces. Range. The 500e is equipped with a 42 kWh lithium-ion battery, giving it an estimated driving range of up to 200 miles on a single charge, based on WLTP standards, with slight variation for EPA estimates. This range is more than sufficient for most daily commutes and weekend excursions, offering peace of mind for drivers who frequently travel within urban areas. Charging capabilities. The Fiat 500e supports both Level 2 AC charging and DC fast charging, ensuring flexibility and convenience for its owners. Level 2, 240 volts, fully charges the battery in approximately 4 hours using a home or public charger. DC fast charging adds 80% of charge in just 30 minutes, allowing quick top-ups during road trips or busy schedules. Driving modes. To optimize performance and efficiency, the 500e features multiple driving modes. Normal mode balances power and range for everyday driving. Range mode maximizes energy efficiency by enhancing regenerative braking to extend battery life. Sherpa mode conserves power by limiting top speed and non-essential energy usage, ideal for reaching charging stations when the battery is low. Regenerative braking. The regenerative braking system in the Fiat 500e converts kinetic energy back into electricity, effectively recharging the battery during deceleration and braking. This feature not only increases efficiency but also offers a smoother and more controlled driving experience.